Okay, so we just ended off with Q8. Yep. We're on Q9. I think. Oops, actually I put these in the wrong place. So we are on Q9. Q8 is just ranking them, which you use your table for. So that means, and again, you'll clean up these questions and stuff, make it your own. So for the conclusion here, let me give you some inspiration. So hopefully by now you see it's pretty difficult, and this goes for any of those topics we were hypothetically going to research for Homework 3. As you start digging into data, you find there are lots of ways of measuring these things. And they all have drawbacks. We haven't even gotten into the drawbacks or how these things are gathered. But comparing these things and coming up with graphs and deciding on models is pretty involved. And it's not strictly a mathematical process. Other areas of knowledge need to be brought to bear as well. So for the conclusion, one of the things I'm asking you to do here, in particular, are these two summarizing statements that are as different as possible. And you should have plenty by now. You know, are things growing at 3 times the rate as income? Are they growing at the same rate as income? Or up in the linear case, are things growing 130% as much, 42%, which is not as much? You should have a bunch of statements that you can draw from that paint two very different pictures. And if you're not sure what the difference is between them, that is, if you're not sure, well, should I be using real median personal income, real median household income, per capita income, or what have you, then good. You're confused and you understand, hopefully, that if you read these two statements that you're going to type in here, if you read only one of them, it could lead you to believe one thing over the other. The difference about this homework is we're putting all these statements side by side, so we're aware of the variety of conclusions we can reach by analyzing this data. But it would be fairly easy to come out with a piece of information that is just one of these things. And they have fairly different implications. I suppose, yeah, I'll stop the video just there, and then I'll do a video on the bonus.